In this video, we're going to use properties of addition to help us find the answer to an addition sentence. So if we have a problem like this that says use properties of addition to find the answer, and we have 25 plus 23 plus 31 equals 31 plus some mystery number plus 25. So the first thing to understand is that the commutative property of addition says that you can add numbers in any order and you will get the same result. So we could see here there's 31 and there's 31 here. There's 25 here and there's 25 here. So they just kind of mixed up the order. So the only way that this could be true is if there's a 23 in this box, right? So the missing number must be 23. So we could see that when you add numbers up in any order, they come up with the same answer. You could take this one step further and try to understand the associative property of addition, which says that you can group addends with parentheses and get the same answer. Group numbers together that are easier to add first. So the addends are just these numbers. Okay, so let's try to add them up in a way that will make it easier for us. So the original problem is this, 25 plus 23 plus 31. This is how it was written. But now let's try to add them up in a way that it'll make it easier for us. So 23 plus 25 is the easiest addition that we could do from this problem, right? We just add 5 plus 3 is 8, then 2 plus 2 is 4. So it's going to be 48 plus 31. And the answer to that is 79. So that's the end of that lesson. And if you didn't understand it, don't worry, just watch it again. There's nothing wrong with repetition. As well, take a look at the description below and you'll find some links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could also download the ebook. That's an excellent resource. And you can follow along this exact lesson in the ebook. Please make sure to subscribe and like, and thank you so much for listening.